creme de la creme, homie. Top shelf, you know.
I like my beat down low, down low, down low, down low, down low, down low, down low. I like my top laid back, laid back, laid back, laid back, laid back, laid back. Hey, holla if you like your beat down low, down low, down low, down low, down low, down low. I like my top laid back, laid back.
I got you, nigga. I'ma show these niggas what to do with one of your beats, man. I'm shutting the whole block down. Here comes trouble, homie. I'ma tell you how the king like to ride, homeboy.
I like my beat down low and my top leg. You see me ride 24 wood. Hey, holla if you like you're getting wood high. And your top leg back if you're real sick high. And your windows bitch black. I like my beat down low and my top leg back. You see me ride 24 wood. Hey, holla if you like you're getting wood high. And your top leg back if you're real sick high. And your windows bitch black. I'm the man in my city, ain't nobody fucking with me. You can ask the real niggas and all the bad bitches. I'm a known drug dealer, I always had 50s. And the thugs and the killers was all in class with me. Ancestors on 26s, watching some television. Shouty, I'm never slipping. Got the Beretta and Vision and ready to pop the clipping. Ready to get the tripping. Ready to show these folks a celebrity. Pistol whipping, stolen automobile with the roof and the tag missing. Police is trying to pursue me, it's nothing but gas giving. Addicted to fast living. Guess I'm one of my dad's cheering. Think I'm bad now, you should've seen me before I had cheering. Get dick to your daddy, daughter, and dad I had cheering. Hope he got some insurance, cause death of ass is enduring. Killer in Mississippi and driver ass to Missouri. Still my wet paint dripping while I'm with the grain gripping. I like my beat down low and my top leg. You see me ride 24 wood. Hey, holla if you like you're getting wood high. And your top leg back if you're real sick high. And your windows bitch black. I like my beat down low and my top leg back. You see me ride 24 wood. Hey, holla if you like you're getting wood high. And your top leg back if you're real sick high. And your windows bitch black. This tough squad click, I know you heard about us. Young niggas filthy rich and we ain't worried about much. On this Glock I clutch, in God I trust. If a fuck nigga start, bet it's hard I bust. Got your partners in the broad and your car fucked up. With your underestimations, thought a star wouldn't bust. I got the heart in the dust, on this perp I blow. Move 10 bricks daily, trying to twerk 5 more. See the Cadillac swerving down Hollywood Road. Or the flying spur, Cali fucking Hollywood home. On a pill and a half with my partner Young Dro. Bumping good in Mars, soul food number 4. Other rappers, old news, told dudes I'm a pro. With a loaded 4-4 and a quarter brick of blow. Hey, nigga, don't you hit me unless you buy 6 or more. My 24 blades glisten and my 808 kick. I like my beat down low and my top leg. You see me ride 24 wood. Hey, holla if you like you're getting wood high. And your top leg back if you're real sick high. And your windows bitch black. I like my beat down low and my top leg back. You see me ride 24 wood. Hey, holla if you like you're getting wood high. And your top leg back if you're real sick high. And your windows bitch black. I wear the crown down under me. Somebody better tell them before I spend 100 rounds to have everybody better. I got some bitches in the beds and my partners in the shit. And now we ride Giovanni's and the sign is on Pirellis. If you ever think of trying to run up on me, just forget it. The clip in the chopper long as your leg in the lead shredded. Pistol way in the truck and my knife on the tuck. You think you ain't getting stuck, you got a life fucked up. A couple stitches in your hip, I had your night fucked up. Will he live, will he die? I guess he might look up. Meanwhile I'm racing my Ferrari like the light for a buck against Lamborghini Gallardos. Every time I get a car, I like my beat down low and my top leg back. You see me ride 24 wood. Hey, holla if you like you're getting wood high. And your top leg back if you're real sick high. And your windows bitch black. I like my beat down low and my top leg back. You see me ride 24 wood. Hey, holla if you like you're getting wood high. And your top leg back if you're real sick high. And your windows bitch black. Hey.
repeat. Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? We're gonna have a problem here.
Y'all act like you never seen a white person before. Jaws all on the floor like Pam, like Tommy just burst in the door. We started whooping her ass worse than before. They first were divorced, sewing her over furniture. It's the return of the... Oh, wait, no, wait, you're kidding. He didn't just say what I think he did he? And Dr. Dre said, nothing, you idiots. Dr. Dre's dead, he's locked in my basement. First they're gonna know what in the courses. By the time they hit 4th grade, they got the Discovery Channel, don't they? We ain't nothing but mammals. Well, some of us cannibals who cut other people open like cantaloupes. But if we can hunt dead animals and antelopes, then there's no reason that a man and another man can't elope. But if you feel like I feel, I got the antidote. Women wave your pantyhose, sing the chorus, and it goes. Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up. 'Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up. And every single person is a Slim Shady lurking. He could be working at Burger King, spitting on your onion rings, or in the parking lot circling, screaming, I don't give a fuck, with his windows down and the system up. So will the real Shady please stand up and put one of those fingers on each hand up and be proud to be out of your mind and out of control? And one more time, loud as you can, how's it go? I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up. 'Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up, please stand up. I guess it's the Slim Shady in all of us. Up it. Let's all stand up.
There are just too many times that people have tried to look inside of me, wondering what I think of you when I protect you out of courtesy. Too many times that I've held on when I needed to push away, afraid to say what was on my mind, afraid to say what I need to say. Too many things that you said about me when I'm not around. You think having the upper hand means you gotta keep putting me down, but I've had too many standoffs with you. It's about as much as I can stand, so I'm waiting until the upper hand is mine.
1 minute you're on top,
The next you're not, watch it drop.
making the rock stop.
Just before you hit the floor,
1 minute you're on top,
the next you're not, missed your shot.
making the rock stop.
You think you won, and then it's all gone. So many people like me put so much trust in all your lies, so concerned with what you think to just say what we feel inside. So many people like me walk on eggshells all day long. All I know is that all I want is to feel like I'm not stepped on. There are so many things you say that make me feel you cross the line. What goes up will surely fall, and I'm counting down the time, 'cause I've had so many standoffs with you. It's about as much as I can stand, so I'm waiting until the upper hand is mine.
1 minute you're on top,
The next you're not, watch it drop.
making the rock stop.
Just before you hit the floor,
1 minute you're on top,
the next you're not, missed your shot.
making the rock stop.
You think you won, and then it's all gone. 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 Now it's all gone. I know I'll never trust a single thing you say. You knew your lies would divide us, but you lied anyway. And all the lies have got you floating up above us all. But what goes up has got to fall.
1 minute you're on top,
The next you're not, watch it drop.
making the rock stop.
Just before you hit the floor,
1 minute you're on top,
the next you're not, missed your shot.
making the rock stop.
You think you won, and then it's all gone. 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 Now it's all gone.
you.